Hey, it's Dennis Mercer from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales. Today I'm aboard the Sabre 43 right here in downtown Naples. And we actually have this boat at our office, Naples Bay Resort. Let me give you the tour. So this particular model has the optional grill in the cockpit. Cockpit is very spacious. You have a nice big table for your guests to enjoy. You've got this nice safety grab, plenty of built-in cup holders, very spacious L-shaped settee here, and an optional jump seat. This jump seat also acts as storage, but the coolest part is what's inside. Let me show you. You've got two settees in here, L-shaped settee to starboard, and you've got a straight settee to port. In the main salon, we've got access to a very nice utility room. It's got a side-by-side washer and dryer, and then more space for storing your goodies, or if you'd like to add refrigeration, we can do that as well at the factory. Once again, very popular feature on the Sabre 43 Salon Express is the mid-level galley. I can maintain eye contact with all my guests, whether they're in the main salon or if they're enjoying themselves out in the cockpit. Not only does that work out, but if you have guests down below that may be wanting to have a formal dining area, which I'll get into in a minute, you're never away from the party. You are always included. So unique to the Sabre 43 Salon Express is this hybrid lounge. Makes a lot of sense. This is an upgrade from the Sabre 42 Salon Express, which was very popular with just a little convertible dinette. The 43 Salon Express gives you the ability to sit, enjoy, do your morning routine, drink some coffee, or maybe even sit with guests and have a cocktail or a meal. And then in the evening, if you'd like, you got space for two guests to sleep here. The master stateroom has its own private en-suite head. The reason that I bring up this feature is nice. If you've got guests on board, need to come down, shower, change your clothes, you can go in and out of the head directly into the master stateroom. It's a very nice feature to have. Very functional head. It's a dry head. It's not a wet head. And got the very nice Tecma toilets. He's got plenty of storage. All cedar lined closets, which is a show of great quality from the Sabre Yacht Builders. Let me give you a tour of the master stateroom. Master stateroom has a tapered queen. It's got a nice sized cedar lined hanging gear locker, a full chest of drawers to port, and plenty of storage down below it with the drawers. Really cool feature is the Sabre Connect. It's right here in the master stateroom. It's got a charging station, and I'll get more into this when we get to the helm. I'm at the helm of the 43 right now. Very well laid out area. Got joystick control built right into the handrest. You've got the clutches and throttles here. The Volvo glass cockpit, which are Garmin multifunction displays with proprietary Volvo software. Getting to the system controls once again, Sabre Smart Switching. I mentioned that you could have it on your phone, and I'm showing you right here. It shows us right here in downtown Naples. I can monitor my bilge pump systems, and I can also set different settings on the boat as I arrive. Daytime settings, nighttime settings. It's a great functional feature. You also are able to do all the boat controls on the touchscreen itself. No more switches that you got to go in the engine room, anything like that. You can turn pumps on, turn them off. You can start the boat, the generator, everything right here at the helm. It's a very convenient feature. From the home page, I can go directly to smart switching. I've got plenty of different things monitored here, mostly my voltage, things that are important to me while I'm not underway. But I can start and stop the generator here. I can go directly into the smart switching mode and go through all of the lighting, freshwater pumps, sump pumps, bilge pumps, water heaters. I can control everything from right here. I've got preset buttons here, so there's one for night cruising, night boarding, dock unattended. If you're not aboard, this will shut all the unnecessary systems down. Day cruising will have all the things that you need to get underway going. You can set your temperatures right here. You can adjust the lights, not just the lights themselves, but you can dim and brighten. Run all the systems pretty much from the smart switching station. We added some nice factory options on this boat. One of them was the upgraded 480 horsepower Volvo IPS. That's going to cruise the boat in the high 20s and max you out in the early 30s. The boat rides very flat, as you'll see in some of our other footage from today, and it's a very good sight visibility, runs at about 3.5 degrees. It's a very smooth boat. Addition of the Seakeeper makes a very smooth ride. I very much encourage you to give us a shout and come see this boat in person. I know you'll enjoy it. Once again, I'm Dennis Mercer from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales. If you'd like more information on the Sabre 43 I showed you today or any other vessel, please get a hold of us, sandyhookyachts.com. We'd be happy to help you and look forward to talk to you.